Yeah, we're looking at this question, find the general solution of this. Okay, and I've told us that anytime you're asking for YG is the general solution, it implies you get the homogeneous part of the equation, then you get the what? The non-homogeneous part. And from that non-homogeneous part, for the non-homogeneous part, you get YP, which you call the particular solution. So the first thing I'm going to do now is for me to get the what? The homogeneous part. And that will take me to y prime equal to 0. Okay, that's what to get the homogeneous part. Okay, so in that case now, the auxiliary equation will be equal to r squared plus 3r plus 2 equal to 0. I've explained this in previous video, and this will give us, you can factorize this. This is plus 2, and that is plus 1. This is plus 2. Okay? Okay, so in this case now, the r1 is minus 1, or the r2 is what? Minus 2. So that's what we've got in there. And the homogeneous equation will be equal to C1 equal to E minus X plus C2 E minus 2X. So that's the homogeneous parts. So to get the YP now, you now ask yourself, this is our YP. I'm going to write it first. When you have this, in the note, I said, if your f of x is ARS, okay, it will be, your YP will be the same thing. If none of the roots of the homogeneous part, none of the solution of the auxiliary equation equal to this. So let's check what we have now. R1 is what? Minus 2. R2 is what? 2. Does any one of the 2 equal to 3 here? No. So in that case now, YP equals to what? Imagine or assuming that, let's say maybe one of the roots is 3. Okay? Okay, let's assume that. In that case now, it implies that, okay, the R here is equal to what? It's equal to this. The R you have here is equal to this one here. So in that case now, you have to multiply this f of x by what? By x. And that will be equal to what? Times x. Okay? But in this case, none of the roots of the auxiliary equation equal to what? Equal to 3 constants. Just be a constant a. So then the next thing to do now is also get the first differential. That will be equal to 3 this. Get the second differential. That will be what? Times 3 again. That will be 9. 9a e3x. Then plug in back to your question. Second differential, which is 9a e3x plus 3 times your first differential, okay, plus 2y. Your y is what? Equal to 10 e3x. Okay, then let's begin to add together. This you can see all of them are ae, ae. Okay, so this is 903, that's 9. 9 plus 9, that's 18. Okay, plus 2, that's 20. A, E, 3x equals what? 10 watts. A, 3x. Okay, what can we do now? This one will go, this will cancel, and A is equal to what? 10 over 20. And that's what? That's half. So I've gotten my A now. So therefore, my YP is equal to what? Half E3x. That's my YP. Then I can get the general solution for the homogeneous part plus the particular solution. And then my homogeneous part half E3x. And that's that on that general solution. Okay, this is another question we have here. Then the auxiliary equation will be r squared plus 3r. This is the fourth differential plus 3r plus 2 equal to 0. Then we can have r. You can factorize this. If you factorize this, then you have plus 2 and plus 1. Okay, I think this homogeneous part is also part of the previous questions. So in this case now, r is what? Minus 2 or minus 1. So the homogeneous part will be equal to what? C1 e minus 2x plus C2 e minus x. So let's now get the yp, and that's where the work is. If we check the yp now, we're going to look at it very well. We're also lucky none of the r values is equal to what? Is equal to this coefficient of x of the exponential. Okay, so none of them. But here we have combinations of a linear here. This is not quadratic, it's linear. So your yp will be equal to the linear of your ax plus b. Okay, then you put this one by the side, 3x. Okay, if one of them is probably 3, then I have to multiply my expression here by x. Okay, let's get the yp. That will be equal to, it's a tough one. Let's take this one constant. Take this one constant. Differentiate this one. That was times 3. Okay, then plus. Now keep this one constant and differentiate this one. If you differentiate this one, that was a. Okay, that's the first differential. Then the second differential will be equal to, can we allow this one to expand this one, which will be equal to 3ax plus 3b equal to what? E3x. Yeah, plus a e3x. I think it's more better this way. Okay, then second differential will be equal to if you keep this one constant, this is your 3, this one, if you keep it constant, okay, and you differentiate the exponential, that will be times 3, then plus, keep this one now constant, keep this one constant now, and differentiate this one. What am I doing? Keep this one constant. Okay, you have to be very careful here. Keep this one constant. Okay, and differentiate this one. And that will be equal to what? 3a. That will be equal to 3a. That will be 3a. If you keep this one constant and differentiate this, then plus differentiate this one, 3 3a e 3x. Okay, so that's what we have. Then we can expand this. This will be equal to 9ax plus 9b e3x, and this will be equal to what? Plus what? Plus 6a e3x. So I think that's what we have gotten for the first and second differential. Okay, so the next thing is just plugging back to the given problem. So plugging back to the given problem, and don't forget the method we are using is undetermined coefficients. That's the method we are using here. Okay, I didn't even put there. That's the method we are using here, undetermined coefficients. Okay, so the second differential, the second differential is what? I'm plugging back here, then plus 3 here times the first differential. The first differential is that plus 2 times y, and our y is what? 2 together and see what we can get. I want to factorize this one, x e3x. Check is here, 9x. I'm taking this one out, x e3x. I'm taking it outside, so I have 9a. So where I come here also, I have it here also. 3 times this one, that's 9 also. So that will be plus 9a. Okay, x e3x outside. Where again we have it here also. That's plus what? Plus 2a. Okay. Then what again? Then plus. Because why we are doing that? Why are we doing that? We want to see. You can see we have x e3x here. So that's why we are doing that. Then the second one we are going to do is to do the one of the e3x. Okay. Let's see those one. Here we have 9b. Here we have 6a. That will be 6a. The one here, 6a. Here, so that's 9b plus 9b. I've done this one also. Okay. Where again? Here, we need to be very careful. You have to open that bracket there. Open the bracket here. This is your first differential, and close the bracket here for the first differential. So you don't make mistakes. So here is 3 times this. So 3 is there. So plus 3a, plus 3a, plus 3a. So I've done this one also. Plus 3a, plus 3a. Then another one again, plus 2 here, plus 2b. I've done this one also, plus 2b. Then here, the one here, plus 9b, plus 9b. Okay, E3x. Okay, here, this is what I did, the x E3x. Okay, if you this one will give me in 20 x E3x plus plus a, that's 9a. This one 18 plus this, that's a plus 20b plus what? Plus 9a into bracket E3x. E3x. Something is missing here. 20, this one, 9a plus 9a, 18 plus 2a, that's 20a. 20a. So 20a, okay, equal to, here, equal to 1. So a equal to what? 1 over 20. I am equating the coefficient of x, E3x on both sides. Okay, so a is 1 over 20 in that case. For the other one, we're going to have 20b plus 9a equal to 0 because we don't have we don't have 3x on the other side except for this one. Okay, so it's equal to 0. Equal to 0. So that will be 20b plus 9 times what? A is what? 1 over 20, and that's equal to 0. Okay, and that will be equal to 20b equal to 9 over 20 minus 9 over 20. So b is equal to what? Minus 9 over 20 divided by 20. Okay, and that will be times that over 400. So for b. So in that case now, the yp is equal to what do we call our expression? We call it, we said ax plus b into bracket e3x. So our a is what? 1 over 20 x, and our b is what? Minus 9 over 400 into bracket what? E3x. Okay, and then with that, you can get a yg as what? Yh plus yp, and then you substitute that. On this question, questions still continue. Join the next question. Thank you for that. Join the next question.